So it's that time of year again here in Arizona, and we're stocking up on ways to get rid of those yearly pests. So we went with the Hot Shot roach bait. There's 12 of them in this box. This is going to last, each of the baits last 4 months. So that's going to work for the bugs that are coming up when they've been spraying the sewers in the neighborhood. We got rat zappers because the pack rats out here are just horrible to the wiring and the hoses and things in the vehicle engines. So having these electronic rat traps end the problem. And then this year we've got a problem with carpenter ants. So we're trying out something new. This spray, it's going to effectively cover the entire lawn for 12 weeks. So this is our attempt with a couple of different methods to deal with the pests that we have here in Arizona. Hope this helps.